Hello, my name is Prateek from Techpile Technology. Techpile has been one of the most prominent, highly reviewed, and innovative software development company and training institute. We are the pioneers of the IT industry, working in research, development, training on job-oriented learning. And to keep growing, this year, Techpile is also extending and braving its journey towards electronics engineering, electrical engineering, instrumentation and control engineering, सिविल इंजीनियरिंग एंड मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग, जिसका मतलब है केवल सीएस और आईटी ही नहीं, इलेक्ट्रिकल, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, सिविल और मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग के स्टूडेंट्स भी अपनी समर ट्रेनिंग की जर्नी टेकपाइल से कर सकते हैं. Techpile is introducing all new courses for summer training batch that includes PLC SCADA for electrical engineering students. Also, industrial automation will be there. For electronics engineering students, there will be embedded systems, there will be robotics, and one of the most highly anticipated and in-demand technology known as IoT. This is a technology that every batch and every stream demands for. We will also have batches on AutoCAD, Revit, SolidWorks for students of civil and mechanical engineering. And for the CSIT students, we have Java full stack. With that, we will also have Python batches on Django framework, IoT, and ML. We will also have technologies like PHP Laravel, Android, .NET with MVC. So the time is here and registrations have been started. Choose your preferred technology, choose your preferred stream, and stay connected with Techpile's social media handles. Keep learning, keep growing, and peace.